Did you know that 44% of Americans have a side hustle? And nearly 70% of them make extra cash to pay off debt, save for big purchases, or fund their passions. But here's the kicker, 61% of side hustlers say they actually enjoy their side gigs more than their full-time jobs. That's huge. In today's fast-paced world, having a side hustle is no longer just a way to make a little extra cash, it's a smart financial move. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off bills, or just looking to make your free time more productive, there's a side hustle out there for you. In this video, we'll dive into 6 unique side hustles that beginners can start with little to no experience. These aren't your usual sell stuff online ideas. Instead, we'll explore creative, profitable, and low investment options that could boost your income and help you level up your career. Stick around to discover which side hustle is the perfect fit for you. Chapter 1: Unleash your inner artist. Profiting from digital designs. Digital design is a growing industry with limitless potential, even for beginners. You don't need to be a seasoned artist to profit from your creativity. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to sell digital products like logos, t-shirts, and phone cases without worrying about inventory. According to a report by Statista, the global digital art market is projected to reach $15 billion by 2025. That's a lot of opportunity for new artists. If you're just starting, don't get overwhelmed. All you need is basic graphic design skills. You can use free tools like Canva or GIMP to create your designs. These platforms offer templates that are easy to customize, and they don't require a subscription. Once you've created a design, you can upload it to a marketplace and set your price. But here's the trick, don't just create designs for the sake of it. Focus on a niche. For example, you might design funny quotes for coffee lovers or minimalist illustrations for yoga enthusiasts. People love finding products that speak to their personal style, so niche designs tend to sell better. Another great strategy is offering your designs as printables. Digital prints can be sold through platforms like Etsy and can be downloaded immediately after purchase. This means no shipping fees or waiting around for orders to be processed. In fact, printable art has become one of the most popular categories on Etsy. To boost sales, promote your designs on social media. Instagram and Pinterest are fantastic platforms for visual products. A study by Later shows that Instagram has 1.4 billion active users, many of whom are searching for art and design products. Use relevant hashtags to get your designs noticed. Another important factor is customer feedback. If you get a negative review, use it as constructive criticism to improve your work. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, and that trust will lead to more sales. Finally, you don't need to stick with one marketplace. Diversify and sell your designs across multiple platforms. The more places your art is available, the more chances you have to earn. As you grow your brand, you may even get requests for custom designs, which can lead to higher paying opportunities. Chapter 2: Cash in on your curiosity. The power of micro-learning courses. Creating micro-learning courses is an easy side hustle that requires minimal investment and offers huge potential. The online learning market is expected to reach $375 billion by 2026, according to Global Market Insights. If you have a skill or knowledge in any field, you can turn it into a course and start earning. The beauty of micro-learning is that it focuses on short, easy-to-digest lessons. People are busy, so they appreciate content that is quick and to the point. You can create lessons that are 5 to 15 minutes long and focus on one specific topic or skill. For instance, if you're great at organizing, you could create a course on decluttering your home in 10 simple steps. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert in your field to create a micro course. All you need is some practical experience, and you can even learn alongside your students. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to design and sell your course, and they give you the tools to market them. It's also crucial to make your course interactive. Include quizzes, downloadable resources, and engaging visuals. According to a study by the Learning House, students are 60% more likely to complete an online course if it involves interactive elements. Once your course is created, you can sell it on your own website or use established platforms like Skillshare and Coursera. If you're not sure where to start, look at what's trending in online education. Micro courses on personal development, tech skills, and even hobbies like photography or cooking are in high demand. To succeed in this hustle, focus on delivering value. Your course should be designed to solve a problem or teach a skill that people are eager to learn. And remember, marketing is key. Share snippets of your course on social media or create a free mini course to attract potential customers. Over time, as you build credibility and get positive reviews, you can raise your prices. Once your course gains popularity, you can even create additional courses to build a full curriculum. Chapter 3: Turn your voice into revenue. Start a micro podcast or voiceover business in today's content-driven world. Voiceovers and podcasts are two of the easiest ways to turn your voice into a profitable side hustle. The global podcast industry alone is projected to be worth $4 billion by 2024. If you've ever listened to a podcast, then you know how powerful a good voice can be. Now, it's time to use yours. Starting a micro podcast is easier than ever. You don't need a fancy studio setup. A simple microphone and free recording software like Audacity will do the trick. Choose a niche you're passionate about, whether it's mental health, current events, or even pet care. Make sure your episodes are short, anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Micro podcasts are popular because people are looking for quick content they can consume on the go. Once your podcast is up and running, monetize it through sponsorships or listener donations. Platforms like Patreon allow fans to support your show, and as your audience grows, so do your opportunities. You can also sell ad space in your episodes. According to Edison Research, 55% of podcast listeners say they would take action after hearing an advertisement, making podcasts a valuable space for marketers. Voiceover work is another lucrative side hustle. From narrating audiobooks to providing voices for explainer videos or commercials, there are many opportunities in the voiceover industry. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual pay for voice actors is around $50,000, but rates can vary based on experience and project scope. To get started in voiceover work, create a demo reel showcasing your voice. Keep it short, just a few minutes will do. You can upload it to websites like voices.com or Fiverr to start getting gigs. As you build your portfolio, you can raise your rates. The key to success in both podcasting and voiceovers is consistency. Post regularly to build an audience and engage with your listeners or clients. Don't be afraid to invest in good equipment when you can afford it. Better audio quality can set you apart from the competition. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or build a full-time business, using your voice can be a fun and profitable venture. And who knows? Your podcast or voiceover career might just take off in ways you never expected. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be sharing more ways you can turn your passion into profit. Chapter 4: Tech-Savvy Side Hustles. Automate your earnings with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online, especially if you're just getting started. By promoting products or services from other companies, you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral link. The best part? You don't need to create your own product or worry about customer service. In fact, affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry in the US alone, according to a report from Statista. That's a lot of potential money for people who know how to leverage the system. Getting started is simple, and you can do it without much experience. Start by choosing a niche that you're interested in or already knowledgeable about. Whether it's fitness, tech, or beauty, focusing on a specific area helps you attract a targeted audience. Once you've picked your niche, you can sign up for affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. These platforms make it easy to find products that fit your audience's needs. The key to success in affiliate marketing is trust. Your followers need to believe in the products you're promoting. That means only recommending items that you truly believe in, and being transparent about your affiliate relationships. A study by the Content Marketing Institute found that 61% of consumers trust recommendations from influencers more than traditional advertising. It's also important to create content that adds value. Whether it's a blog post, YouTube video, or Instagram story, your content should solve a problem for your audience. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, create a review or tutorial that shows how the product works and how it can help people achieve their fitness goals. Diversify your marketing channels. While many people think of affiliate marketing as simply blogging, you can promote products through social media, email newsletters, or even podcasts. This gives you multiple touchpoints to reach your audience. In fact, influencers with a strong presence on multiple platforms see significantly higher earnings than those who only use one. Remember, consistency is key. It takes time to build trust with your audience and see significant affiliate earnings. But once you've built a loyal following, affiliate marketing can be a powerful tool for generating passive income. Chapter 5: Upcycling your way to profit. Thrift store flips that pay big. Upcycling, or turning old items into something new, is a fantastic way to make extra money while being environmentally friendly. One of the best places to find items to upcycle is your local thrift store. From furniture to clothing, there's a world of hidden treasures waiting to be flipped for a profit. The resale market is booming. According to ThredUp's 2023 resale report, the second-hand market is projected to grow to $82 billion by 2026. That's huge, and it means plenty of opportunity for anyone who knows where to look. Start by visiting thrift stores and flea markets to find items you can upcycle. For furniture, look for pieces that are sturdy but may need a little TLC, like a fresh coat of paint or new fabric on the cushions. For clothes, focus on trendy pieces that can be altered or repurposed to meet current styles. Don't be afraid to get creative. A vintage table can become a stylish modern desk, and an old jacket might turn into a trendy crop top. Once you've found your items, the next step is to give them a new life. For furniture, you can sand, paint, and reupholster to make them look like new. For clothes, sewing, embroidery, or even tie-dyeing can add a unique touch. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your transformations, so take high-quality photos of your finished products. Selling your upcycled items online is easier than ever. Websites like eBay, Depop, and Poshmark are great for selling clothing, while sites like Etsy and Facebook Marketplace are perfect for furniture and home goods. In fact, Facebook Marketplace has become one of the largest second-hand marketplaces, with over 1 billion items listed at any given time. The key to success with upcycling is finding the right balance between cost and potential profit. Research the value of items before buying them, and remember to factor in your time and materials when pricing your products. You don't want to end up spending more than you earn. Chapter 6: Freelance Your Passion. High-demand skills you can offer today. Freelancing is a great way to earn extra money, especially if you have a marketable skill. The gig economy is thriving, with 59 million Americans participating in freelancing, according to a 2023 report from Upwork. Whether you're into writing, design, social media, or even consulting, there's a freelancing opportunity out there for you. The first step to becoming a successful freelancer is identifying your skill set. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? If you're unsure, start by looking at your current job or hobbies for inspiration. For instance, if you love writing, you can offer content creation services. If you're great at social media, you can help businesses grow their online presence. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to start building a portfolio. If you're new to freelancing, consider offering your services for free or at a discounted rate to build your portfolio. Once you have a few projects under your belt, you can start charging higher rates. According to a survey by Freelancers Union, freelancers earn 40% more than traditional workers in similar fields. The next step is finding clients. There are plenty of platforms where you can offer your services, such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. These sites connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services, and they often handle payment processing, so you don't have to worry about that. If you're trying to land high-paying gigs, don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly on LinkedIn or through cold emailing. To stand out in the competitive freelance market, it's important to offer exceptional value. Always over-deliver on your promises, and be responsive to clients' needs. Communication is key to building lasting relationships. According to the Freelance Forward report, 60% of freelancers say repeat clients are their main source of income. Another great strategy is to diversify your services. As you gain experience, you may find that your skills can translate into different areas. For example, a social media manager could also offer email marketing or paid advertising services. This allows you to earn more while serving a wider range of clients. Freelancing offers the flexibility to work from anywhere and choose the projects you're most passionate about. But it also requires a solid work ethic and strong time management skills. If you can manage your time effectively and deliver high-quality work, freelancing can become a full-time, sustainable career.